Balloon time! Hold on.
Come on!
Yes!
I'm fucking recording the video.
Hold on. Do it again. Just do it again. Hold on.
Wow. Yeah.
Bitch, it's time to go. Yeah, bitch. Ah! Okay, I'm not allowed to curse. Oh dear. Yes.
Paolo. Okay, you got the man voice.
It smells, right?
Little guy with
It smells,
touch.
right?
What?
Yes.
Your mother.
Put the cover.
What?
Oh my god.
Your mother sucks dick like a hoe. Yes, it's the way that we do, 'cause it's 9 in the fucking afternoon.
Spasm by little boy. Alright, man. Rock out. Okay, well, that's not rocking out, but okay. He likes the drums a little
How
too
the hell
much.
did you break this? Look. It's so hard to break. I have my ways.
No, it's just like your penis. Broken.
It's not hard.
Ew.
Oh no, it still is. It's still hard? It's just half.
That's nice. Cassie. Cassie.
What?
Can I have another balloon?
Didn't I just say just one?
Just one more balloon.
Didn't I just say
One
just
more balloon.
Didn't I just say just one?
This,
Your mother's a balloon.
one more balloon, I swear. You got it.
Sleep with one eye open.
You sleep with one eye open before I shove a drumstick up your ass. Yeah.
No, are you serious? No.
I did that last sleepover, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you can.
Hold on. Remember, Cassie, wait, hold on. Remember the ice cream man in the hallway? Hold on.
Oh, no, what ice cream man?
Remember, I'm like, the ice cream man's in the hallway.
Oh, and I was hiding in the bathroom?
No, that was in the morning.
No.
Hold on a second, hold on. I'm gonna see something amazing.
You're fucking stupid!
Hold on.
There's no more, kids.
Sound like a pedophile.
Okay. Get the fucking camera away from me.
You failed, Paolo.
Fine. Mom failed.
Fail.
Oh, look at that.
Bye, kids.
Oh, no, that was